Mike Richards here. You know me. My roots run pretty deep in southern Alberta. As a homeowner, you know when it comes to water damage or something to do with an insurance claim, it can be a real nightmare. You need someone you can trust. Go to the guys I trust. The Restoration Network. White glove service, independently owned. Handling Okotoks, Calgary, and the southern Alberta foothills. Cleaning and emergency specialists. Call the Restoration Network at 587-747-7711. If you didn't call the Restoration Network, you called the wrong guys.